Here I have Motorola Moto G9 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to clear browsing data or browsing history on this device. So first of all, you have to open your browser which you use, then you tap here, go to the history, then you tap clear browsing data. Next you have to choose the types of files which you want to clear, like the browsing history, cookies and site data, cached images and files. And then you have to choose time range. It could be last hour, last 24 hours, last week, last month, and all time. And then you tap clear data. And the history is clear. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.